Good morning, 10th class. Hope you all are fine. It's our lecture number 14 today. That is glossary words with their meanings and synonyms. Last day you have read the text. You have marked the difficult words for spellings. So today you are going to attempt glossary words with their meanings and synonyms. Next is vocabulary part A and B. And grammar part A, that is of collective noun. It's the revision of your lecture number 5. In lecture number 5, you have revised all the kinds of noun. So today you are also going to revise collective noun. Is that clear? Last day's homework was solve part A, page 19, and part D of page 22 on your book, right? As we can see, this is page number 19. This is part A of reading comprehension. Last day you read the text and I have assigned you to solve this question. Choose the correct option. Chinese New Year falls somewhere dash on January 21st, on February 20th, or between January 21st and February 20th. So the correct answer is between January 21st and February 20th, because it's not clear when it is celebrated, because it is celebrated according to the Chinese lunar calendar. So it's never on the same day. That's why it is celebrated, or it falls between January 21st and February 20th. Paragraph number 1 gives general detail of festival, specific details of Chinese New Year, or general details of the Chinese New Year celebration. So in the paragraph number 1, you are given the detail of the Chinese New Year only, not a general detail of the festivals, or not the general detail of a New Year celebration. It is specific detail of the Chinese New Year. So you have been told in the paragraph number 1 about the Chinese New Year only. So B is the correct option, right? Next. Number 3 is, it is customary for families to thoroughly clean their houses before the first day of the new year, on the first day of the new year, or on the second day of the new year, right? Before the first day, or you can say prior to the first day of the new year. The statement given in the paragraph is prior to the first day of the new year, right? So A is the correct option here. Next is, hanging up signs and posters on doors and windows means love and sincerity, care and affection, luck and happiness. The correct answer here is, these signs and posters on doors and windows means luck and happiness. Clear? Next, envelopes are not to be opened until dash. The giver has left the home of recipient, the recipient has left the home of the giver, or the giver has gone to sleep. In your paragraph, the correct answer given is the recipient has left the home of the giver. Is that clear? So this is your question number 1, page 19, part A. Right? Next question assigned to you was page number 22, and that is, punctuate the following paragraph. You have to put in the capital letters. You have to put in full stop where the sentence ends, and you have to use inverted commas where necessary, right? So this is the answer of your part D, page number 22. On Chinese New Year, O capital, Chinese C capital, New N capital, Year Y capital. It is customary to visit relatives and partake in a large dinner where a number of specific details, a number of specific foods are served, full stop. Next, you are going to start next sentence, it I capital. It is typical for a Chinese family to make 8 to 9 dishes for the New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve, right? Here it is N capital, Y capital, years, apostrophe S. So, comma, for this apostrophe S, Eve, E capital, dinner, D capital, because in Chinese, the word Chinese, C is already capital, no need to write it again. The word 8 means prosperity, so highlight 8 by putting it inverted commas, and prosperity, again put in inverted commas. The word 9, inverted commas, means long lasting, put a hyphen here to separate long lasting, hyphen, and inverted commas, full stop. Is that clear? So this was your last day's task. Match your answers and correct if you have made any mistakes. Clear?